Hey guys, welcome. Nina Madden here, NLP at home with Nina. In this NLP video, I want to share with you a beautiful technique, a timeline technique where you're going to get in touch with the inner, an older and wiser self. We all have an older and wiser self, a guru within. We have that wisdom, and this beautiful technique will help you get in touch with the older and wiser self. So this is something that you can do whenever you feel lost in your life, or you feel confused about a decision that you're going to make, or you feel worried or anxious about anything. You may be scared to take action, you're afraid of failure, or any of those things. When you just want that wisdom and it's coming from you, you're going to get to meet the older and wiser self. So I'd like you to imagine your life like a line on the floor stretching off ahead of you, way, way, way ahead of you into the distance. And it's beautiful and it's bright and it's colorful. And at the end of that line, I'd like you to imagine your older and wiser self. This is you maybe at 100. But the really important thing about this is you're standing there. You look so happy. You are so content. You are fulfilled and you're very pleased and happy with your life. And you have this inner glow, this inner wisdom. And that is you out there, your older and wiser self. So as you imagine that, get a good visual of that. And it doesn't matter if you're not very good at visualizing. You can just get a sense of it, It can be a feeling, it's just a sensation, It might be a vague shape. That's absolutely fine. So then we're going to walk up to the older and wiser self. And as we get up to the older and wiser self, we can check in and we can say hello. And you can ask your older and wiser self, do you have any advice for me? And in this moment here, you want to slow down. You want to give yourself the space to receive that advice that the older and wiser self has for you. Take a moment. If you need to pause the video, you can do that. And check in and get that advice from the older and wiser self. Now, say thank you. You might need more time. Say thank you. And the next thing you can do is stand next to your older, wiser self and look back at your timeline and notice the things that happened, that fell into place for you, the coincidences, the synchronicities that just all came together, how the universe conspired to get you to this place where you are happy, you are fulfilled, you're the older you who's totally happy about the life that they've had. You can feel that warmth and that glow within you, and just notice how your life and how everything came together to get you to this place. And take a moment here. And once you've done that, you can say thank you, and you can walk back to the here and now, knowing that your older and wiser self is always available for you. You can invite him or her any time in your life, any time that you need to check in with the guru within. So I hope you enjoyed this technique. If you're watching it on YouTube, don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.